So this is inside the tent. As you can see, it's been raining really heavy and there's puddles. You can hear it. You can hear water coming in. Yeah, so as you can hear, it's just pouring down with rain outside. So what I've done is there's puddles of water. So there's like this. I've just set up here. It's like this little place, like a little sink and a dryer here. So I decided I'm gonna have to sleep here because the tent is just like. Oh, hello. The tent's just. Well, it's just puddles all over. So it's just. I'm gonna just have to sleep in. Yeah, really. So, yeah. There's not even a window there. So, yeah. You can trashing down the rain here.